Hello and welcome back. Now, I was watching a video on YouTube and it prompted me to remind me that I had this, which is a 1930s HMV record player, which I've had 20 odd years. Now obviously this is a wind-up record player or gramophone. So as you can see, there's a tone arm that has the needle on it, and there's a winding handle. It's that little thing there, looks like a starting handle, and as you can see there, it's Master's Voice, Gramophone Company Limited of Hayes, Middlesex. Now this is the sound box, which actually converts the mechanical vibrations of the needle into sound. It comes out through that little opening there, and what happens is that sound is directed down the tone arm into the box of the record player, and that sort of amplifies the sound, and you'd be surprised how loud this is. So this is a number 16. Right, so should we see it in action? So we need a record. I only have one. I have got others, but I can't find them. So we'll have a bit of Sansons, so we'll force a bit of culture on you lot, especially the ones that keep pushing the dislike button. Now this record is going to be very scratchy because it's had a hard life, but it's interesting to play it anyway. Okay, so that was just started to run down there because I hadn't wound it up fully, but I was just trying to save the spring. So I hope you found that interesting. So I've just taken the turntable off there. I'm just showing you the inner workings of this. So basically most of what you can see is the top of the motor. We put the hand crank in, and the complicated stuff is actually all to do with making it stop and changing the speed. So there's the manufacturer's serial number for this particular machine. It's a very low number, so the 102 means HMV 102. So there you go. So it's got a bit of time earned dirt on it. But that entire thing there is just to switch it off when it gets to the middle, which does still work. But apparently HMV had a lot of trouble with these, so they, within a few months, changed it to a simpler design. And that's how you can sort of date this then to sort of 1931, 1932, so I've been told. There you go, so that's the HMV 102 record player, which is made from 1931 to 1958, believe it or not. Okay, well, thanks for listening, and I'll speak to you soon.